Hello, eighth graders. I just am going to show you an example of classifying rational numbers, but it's actually not numbers. I'm going to show you how to classify food, and then hopefully we can generalize that idea into our numbers. So as you guys can see here, my big oval is just food in general. And then here I have junk food, which is one category. And I also have another category that's healthy food. So obviously those aren't the same thing. Junk food and healthy food are two different things. You can't be the same thing at the same time, but they're both food. So then I go to my next category of healthy foods, which would be plant-based. Plant-based just means it's made from plants, and plants can be fruits, vegetables, grains, things like that. And then lastly, my category here is vegetables. So therefore, if something is a vegetable in my little diagram here, it is also plant-based because it's actually a plant. It's also healthy, and obviously it's food. So if you look around my image here, I do have some different types of food, and I can categorize them. So here I see potato chips, and those are a junk food. So this would be categorized as junk food and food. I see yogurt. Now yogurt, I have to decide, is healthy food. And then I have to decide from here if it's plant-based and a vegetable. It is not. So this is a healthy food and a food. Here I see French fries. French fries are a junk food, so they're junk food and food. Carrots. Carrots are a food, obviously. They're a healthy food. They are a plant, and they're a vegetable. So a carrot would go into that smallest category, which means it's all of those other things. It's a vegetable, it's plant-based, it's healthy, and it's food. Fruit, it's food. It's a healthy food. It is plant-based, but it is not a vegetable, so I'll leave that in the yellow category. So it's just plant-based. And bread, I see bread, it's wheat bread, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the healthy category. It's healthy, but it's not plant-based, and it's food. So from this, like using just regular items, I wanted you guys to see that that's how you can categorize something and how it can fall under more than one category. So then if I come here to numbers, I can categorize them into real numbers, which are the numbers we're working with. And those numbers can either be rational or irrational. So you can see the green and the pink here. Once I decide if it's rational, it can be an integer, which means it can be a fraction, but it can also be positive or negative, and a whole number, which can be positive or negative. And I'm sorry, a whole number cannot be negative. It's just positive. Sorry. So then I look at my numbers and I can categorize them. Square root of 2 is not perfect, so I know it's irrational. That's going to be not written as a fraction. I see the number 84. It's a real number. It's rational. It's an integer. And it's a whole number because it's positive. 1/2 is a fraction. So I know it's real and rational. And then I can do the rest from here. 6.1. -19 would be rational and an integer, which is also real. 3/5 negative would be a rational number. This is a very ugly fraction, so I'm going to go ahead and put that as irrational. Hello. Hope everyone's had a good day. All right, I'm getting cut off here.